Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making my favorite go-to breakfast, super easy and customizable overnight oats. We'll be making delicious variations, so let's jump right into it. First things first, we need to get our chia seeds ready. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of chia seeds to this cup. Now pour in enough water to completely cover the chia seeds. Give it a quick stir to make sure they're all submerged. We'll let these sit for about 30 minutes or until they've formed a gel-like consistency. This is crucial for the texture of our overnight oats. While our chia seeds are doing their thing, let's prepare our jars. I'm using these reusable bottles, which are perfect for grab-and-go breakfast. Into each bottle, I'm adding half a cup of rolled oats. You can use quick oats if you prefer, but I love the chewiness of rolled oats. Next, we'll pour in our milk. Fill each bottle until it's about halfway full. I'm using dairy milk, but feel free to use any plant-based milk like almond or oat milk for a vegan option. Our chia seeds are perfectly gelled now, so let's add them to our oats. Divide the chia seed mixture evenly among your bottles. These little powerhouses are packed with fiber and help create that creamy texture. Give that a good stir to combine the oats, milk, and chia seeds. For a sweetener, I'm using pure honey. I add about a tablespoon to each bottle, but you can adjust this to your taste. Maple syrup or agave nectar also work great. Mix everything together really well. This ensures all the ingredients are fully incorporated, going with a berry burst. I'm adding a handful of fresh blueberries and some beautiful sliced strawberries. For all you seed lovers, pumpkin seed power. Just sprinkle in a generous amount of crunchy pumpkin seeds. I'm adding a mix of my favorite nuts. Walnuts works perfectly for added crunch and healthy fats. Finish with a touch more honey for that perfect sweetness. And there you have it. Our delicious overnight oats creations are ready. Now, the hardest part, waiting. Place these in the refrigerator overnight or for at least 4 to 6 hours to allow the oats to soften and all those flavors to meld together. These overnight oats are a game changer for busy mornings. They're healthy, filling, and incredibly versatile. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments which variation is your favorite. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.